Thanks for tuning in. Today we have two new Raptor displays, the VeeCAN 300R and the VeeCAN 700. Both of these displays are programmable via NewEagle's MATLAB Simulink-based embedded software development tool, Raptor-Dev. And as always, you can find any and all information on these displays and any of our hardware by visiting our product wiki. If you don't have the link committed to memory, you can access the wiki via our website or the link in the description of this video. Starting off with a quick overview, each display yields a capacitive touchscreen, variety of I/O, and a powerful CPU. On the software side of things, the user has access to a variety of useful features and functions, such as programmable buttons, gestures, and the vast Raptor development library. In addition, when you start your first VeeCAN project using Raptor, a feature-full template application is generated and will run right out of the box on your hardware. This application is packed with examples from CAN bus communication all the way through generating graphics. Each software build provides a PC-based simulator, allowing the user to view their graphics and control functions before the software reaches the hardware. This significantly cuts down on development time, as the simulator typically takes seconds to generate. All in all, both of these displays are technical powerhouses and capable of controlling or monitoring any system. The Raptor display library is easy to use and provides the user freedom to generate any type of display their mind can create. I hope you enjoyed learning about our Raptor displays. Make sure to like and subscribe as we bring more content from our team to yours. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.